Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the simplest but essential items. Give the watch a reliable power source using the official charger and a known good wall adapter, and let it charge at least 1 hour. Once done, perform a force restart by holding the digital crown and side button together for 10-15 seconds to clear temporary firmware hangs. While it charges, visually inspect the back and charger contact for debris or corrosion. A dirty contact can prevent charging, even if the cable is fine. If the watch shows a red lightning bolt or recovery screen, you're seeing power or update states that require specific steps. The red bolt means low battery charging, while recovery screens mean an interrupted update. Make sure your paired iPhone is nearby and updated, then use the watch app to check status and attempt a normal restart. If the watch boots but acts unstable, unpairing from the iPhone triggers a full backup and restore on repair, which often resolves corrupt settings. Only do this when the device stays on. For persistent failures, move to advanced remedies. Try DFU or recovery mode restore using a Mac/PC with Apple Configurator or Finder to reinstall watchOS, because firmware corruption can stop booting. If diagnostics show no charge or erratic behavior, swap in a known good charger and cable, and consider battery replacement if the cell is swollen or won't hold charge. If none of these work, make an appointment at an Apple store or authorized repair. They can run hardware diagnostics and replace parts. Ask for a clear repair estimate before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.